Programming your Buick Enclave key fob is generally a straightforward process, especially for models between 2008 and 2022. Start by ensuring you have a compatible key fob, ideally an OEGM part. Next, enter the vehicle with your key and close all doors. Then, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Press the lock button on the fob, then turn the ignition off and back on. Repeat this cycle for up to 4 fobs. Finally, opening the driver's door will finalize the programming. Remember, timing is crucial. Aim for 10 to 15 seconds per step. The system locks you out after 10 failed attempts for security. Battery condition and signal interference can also impact success. While DIY programming works for many Enclaves, models from 2023 onwards may present challenges due to enhanced security features. Newer fobs often have encryption and added authentication steps. If the standard ignition cycle method fails, you might need an OBD2 scanner to complete the programming, potentially requiring professional assistance. Also be aware of cybersecurity concerns and avoid DIY for high-risk scenarios. If you encounter issues like draining batteries, especially in cold weather, GM has issued software updates that might require fob reprogramming. While trends point towards digital keys and smartphone integration, understanding these limitations helps you decide when to tackle the process yourself versus seeking expert help. Remember to always verify OEM parts to ensure compatibility with your specific Buick Enclave model.